Alright, hello guys, welcome to today's video. I do have a makeup tutorial on this look, but this video is all about Longqui hair, and I need to explain to you guys my relationship with Longqui hair. But first of all, let me go ahead and get into these bundles, honey. So I'm wearing, oh my god, they're Brazilian curly, but this is so light. It is so light. I said no, because when I was making the wig, I said this feel like it feel like Malaysian hair, cause so Malaysian hair light. So this is new for me. Like this is new for me with the Brazilian hair being this light. I'm used to Brazilian hair having a little bit of girth. Now if you look, you see like their layers already cut in the hair. I love that. Now I'm wearing two bundles of 22, 218 and a 20. Let me explain. So I'm wearing an 18-inch closure 18-inch bundle, 222-inch bundle, and a 20-inch bundle as well. But what I do, I put the 222 was at the back, then I put the 18 in at the middle, then I put the 20-inch on the top, and then you're seeing the 18-inch closure. Yeah, so it looks like a Christmas tree. I love how this looks, but look at how it moves. It looks so much better and fuller in person. I love how it moves as well. Everything about this is just giving me so much life. It's extremely lightweight as well. I love it. And this time I asked for a closure because for me the closures are easy for me to work with. I'm always saying this too, the closures are easy for me to work with, and I find that you guys want closures as well, so that makes sense for me, you know. Just boom 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 with the wig, moving on. No, I didn't do anything to the top. I don't know if I can show you guys. See, I'm not do nothing. I just want like a party note something. I must do one like a finger part again. Just do like a finger part something. It's not even straight, it lean. Finger part it. My hair is blonde underneath, and I just slip on the closure. I love even how I did like the closure to like match with the bundles. I love the construction of this wig. It is so nice and full, and it feels really fluffy. Really fluffy. I've gotten hair like this from Longqui before. You guys know I'm like a Longqui. Somebody says that I'm like what do you call it, spokesperson, ambassador for Longqui. But let me explain my relationship with the Longqui with you guys. So I am working with the Longqui for the entire year. So whenever you see a bundle from me, like you get this ear, you see the ear, I can see it 2 more times, because our deal is 3 videos. Yes, that's why I do Longqui videos so often. They're a company that I chose to work with long term because of the quality of the hair. Now if you got a hair from Longqui, and let's say you buy like 3 bungle, 1 closure, or like a frontal, and it never come like 1 bungle outside, just miss. All I have to do is contact them, you know what I'm saying, and have a little switcheroo. All right, that's one. I love their quality, I love their customer service, and I love working with my rep, the person who I work with. I love working with that person from Longqui. So to work with them long term for me was a no-brainer. There are a couple of virgin hair companies that I would work with for a long term, and Longqui is definitely one of them. Look at this hair, and I have something else to tell you guys about this hair as well. When I was making this wig, I did not get not 1 shedding. Do you hear me? This hair did not shed once. No. Where it began to shed was when I cut the weft, and I cut the weft bad. So instead of cutting the weft straight, it cut lean. So I actually cut some of the hair. So what I want once, so I'm finger combing. Can you guys see like that strand? Maybe yeah, you guys can see that strand. Let's see there. Yeah. So I'm getting like strands as I'm finger combing the hair, but that's the only thing in terms of shedding. It is extremely soft, lightweight. This is me. This is my wig. This is Lyric. This is Simone. This is Mrs. Henry. This is Jonathan's mother. This is Jalil's mother. This is her. I love hairs like this. It's, oh god, it's so soft. It's so soft. I kept on looking back on the back like, this is Brazilian. How is this Brazilian hair? But anyway, yeah. So I am working with them long term. So I'll be doing another video with this hair. I want to do like a makeup tutorial with this hair, but I don't know if I can keep it natural or at least smoky, because this hair, honey, it's in a league of her own, boo. Yeah, so they're Brazilian curly. The longest is 22 inches, and I'm wearing a closure. Now what I want from you guys is I want you guys to ask me questions. When you see me post even on my Instagram, ask me questions about the hair, because I don't know why you guys feel intimidated or like you can't bother ask because I do a review because I get paid for doing it. Obviously yes, I am. Like, people work at call centers get paid, but you still call, right? Because you have what? questions. So call me. So reach out to me, let me know, ask me, lyric, no BS. The ear good or not? I've gotten those DMs. I'm like, girl, I'm gonna tell you this, when I can promote nothing, that's not good, because that's my name. And I'm not someone to sacrifice my integrity. I'm working with Longpee because I want to. I'm working with Longpee because of the quality of the hair. That's why I'm working with them. They're a really good hair company in my experience. They're a hella good hair company. Oh gosh, oh my gosh. Side note, I got some like products from a company that I have been using, but when the first time I used the gloss, I realized that it was a little bit stiff. You know, it never come out fresh and like new. So I felt like they were like on the shelf for a while, so like they're expired, and they cut up the whole of my lip. The whole of my lip cut up and like scarred up. I'm slightly annoyed, but yeah. So this is the hair again. So bouncy, so me, 22 inches with a 18-inch closure, soft, nice. Oh my gosh, Longqui, you have outdone yourself. You have outdone yourself. Anyway, this is it for this video, guys. I won't go any longer. Y'all gonna see me 2 more times with this hair, so good on you. Good on you. Alright, so this is it for you guys, and this is it for this video, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye. And again, Longqui, thank you. Bye guys.